Hello, how are you all? Here is a quick overview of the progress I made for this buildathon. My name is Ilich Blanco and my project is Andromeda Core. First, we'll see the file ts arbitrum connector ts, the ecosystem sentinel. This file is responsible for the semantic ingestion of Arbitrum. Its mission is to observe activity within the Arbitrum Foundation DAO technically. It is Irbit connector that queries two sources, a snapshot for off-chain governance and the graph. For on-chain events, its primary value lies in normalization. It takes complex proposals and translates them into the raw governance decision. Um, which is the native language of our Atlas engine. A key technical note, we have temporarily disabled the graph fallback due to the to instability in public subgraph. Prioritizing the accuracy of a natural data prevent synchronization bridge crashes. Okay. They call to the APIs of the graph snapshots. Another important files for this buildathon is the teleconnector TS, which is the governance interpreter, while Arbitrum has its own connector. Much of this heavy governance activity happens on Tele. This file is a high-level connector that utilizes GraphQL to extract proposals, votes, and execution status. It is masterpiece of data engineering because it doesn't just fetch test, it performance type normalization. It automatically classifies proposal into categories like the budgets or parameters change by analyzing transaction actions for Arbitrum. This is vital as it allows to process builder intents from founding proposal or technical changes, assigning reputation weights proportional to the proposal impact. The next the next file is the ABIP VM adapter TS. Okay, is the anchor of truth, Arbitrum Sepolia. This is the file that closes the cycle and anchors our data to Arbitrum Sepolia. It is arguably the most robust component in terms of security. It uses the VM library to interact with the smart contracts ultra efficiently. Its internal logic implements a Merkle tree. It takes a bag of 10 or more reputation milestones from any ecosystem, calculates unique cryptographic rules, and sends it to L2 network, what makes it industrial grade. It is error handling. It includes mutex to prevent transaction collision, dead letter quirk, DLQ to save any failed batches to disk after 3 retreats, and a heal check that monitor gas balance on the congestion before firing. This is the file. Okay. The next is the Atlas Orchestra TS is the orchestra. Although not opening the panel, these files glue everything together. It is the service that decides when the call the Arbitrum connector to fetch new data and when to send the results of the AVBeam adapter for final anchoring. Is act as business logic's middleware, ensuring that data flows correctly from detection Arbitrum to immutability Arbitrum Sepolia, guaranteeing that every step meets Andromeda's validation standard. These 4 files represent the complete data life cycle in Andromeda detection, normalization, processing, and anchoring. Now for a quick test, we are on the main dashboard where we have real-time telemetry and can visualize the flow within our system. But let's head directly to the log section, especially the Atlas Explorer. Our index engine retrieves pre-process data from the various chains, including Arbitrum, of course, allowing us to click on any of builders' proposals listed below. This brings up the reputation scorecard, a graphical representation of the reputation generated by a specific builder. Here the AVIC mathematical model is applied, okay, taking into account the builder contribution and behaviors within Arbitrum or across the broader Web3 ecosystem. The system is currently processing this information, which can be accessed via APIs for use at your discretion. Thank you.